Sifuna ukugeza mfethu.
Yazi what men of course guys.
Nginalo ugqozi ngavula mina. Wacheka wena Sandiso show.
Akada sazi ukuthi uyidona.
Mfethu awukazi. Now we want to compare. We took pictures ne. I did it.
Sekuthala.
Sandiswa. How?
Nanguthali.
Yimini.
Sandiswa.
Awuhambe Sandiswa.
Manje dlalana urock paper scissors oluzile uyena. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Intokazi Yagwakeswa. If you are already a subscriber, when we Boza. And if you too want to join the Maboza squad, feel free to press Ngiti. Press on that red button manje before you even forget. And to like this video and give it a thumbs up. Probably asking yourself, I have these two beautiful ladies, Lana. They're gonna introduce themselves. This is
Kamala Mutandi Sisbonga Kesa Ngosiso Mandiso Mncane.
Danko.
Kamala Muthalete Sibongo Antuli Ngusiswa Mandiso Phanendawo.
So guys, on today's video we are doing a vloggy. So this is our first time. By the way, I saw Kashembe, but we are going to Kashembe to check our virginity. Like, and then we're gonna get certificate. We are actually really virgins. We are scared about this. Scared. We just decided let's just make this a vlog.
Mashile bafethu.
Siqeda ukuyihlola. Niyacabanga? Savele sagooglisha sathi i virgin ibukeka kanjani. Meseke sayihlola sahlolana sathi ithombe asisahlekile kanje. Abanye banama abanye banamabijala asabisayo khona izinto esingakazi siyibone. So manje sisuhamba sogeza msiqedile. One of our friend Andiswa Duma, she's gonna take us to esontweni like here eSonto Kashembe, and she's a virgin and I'm 21. She is
16
and
17.
Danko! Let us roll.
Why are you running?
And we come back. We are ready to rock.
Andis, in a scale of 0 to 10, how scared are you?
9 out of 10. Hayibo ngiyasaba manje.
The first time
Siya epleni so we're waiting for imoto
Ananda.
Hlola. Uzoqala ba masifika lapha?
When?
Awu. Ayekho ufuna uvolunteer?
Hayi mina ngisha. Ngicela ukuba like
Sifuna uqalisa nje mina mesikuba uthanda.
Hlezi kuthandiswa uqale wena. Wena ufuna siye khona.
Igazi
Wena ufuna siye khona guys.
Hayi. Guys, the current situation is quite bad for the fact that we were asked to not record. So yeah, it's quite tough. But sesifikile epleni. Sesiyafika futhi nako mama sihamba ngeenyawo. Azuma kuyabonakala.
Danko. Every month.
Mandy, Sa. Yeah, Boma. Yeah.
Mangitshela toyibonga umntshana ukuthini. Ngithi yebo sanibona. Sanibona. Anyways, guys, we have come to the end of our video. Comment and tell us which part did you like the most. And until the next time, bye.
Why are you running?
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else.